Sorry I didn't catch up with y'all this morning, but we getting ready to unload, man. Got the Skyjack boom lift here. You know, we stay booming. We stay booming. It's cold, man. Shit. Oh, man. Yeah, it's cold. Look out. Back in the truck, I ain't gonna lie. Let's do it. Let's do it. Live unload, first unload. I guess they back here waiting on me. Waiting on this piece, boy. Yes, sir. Let's get it done and get back in this truck, my boy. It's cold, man. Super cold. Yeah, we delivering to this salon studio right here. And, you know, it's crazy because it's crazy because man, I've been this whole little strip right here been under construction for, man, God knows how long, dude. Like, when I lived in Charlotte, they was working on this. When I lived here, you know, we're in Concord, but, you know, when I lived in Charlotte, man, about a year ago, this was here, man, and they were still doing work on it. Shut it down. We always get it down to the, you know, we always make sure that basket level with the ground, touching the ground. Well, I guess my fat ass had it way down. Well, but, you know, we make sure it's down. Press that stop button on there, shut everything down, and we make sure we just turn it off for safety measures. But yeah, that's it. Let's get our pictures, man, and we done. Yes, sir. Yeah, they gotta start taking all these pictures, man, on every piece of equipment. You know how it go. They want to be able to, you know, charge the customer for anything if they need to, you know. Go. My photography career is over. Till next time. Yeah, we got it. Let me get these J hooks up. Get this strap put up, man. Yes, sir.
Okay. That's going to be parking spots for that building.
Oh, somebody going to be parking there today?
Yeah, that building's active and open.
Oh, it's active?
Yeah, that building's been open.
Yeah, I think they about to get in it right now. you have it. I thought it was still under construction, but it's active. Shit, that's the name of the business they had on there, so. Was it for the? It's okay. Oh boy, cold, man. Sheesh. Bad boy put up, man. Let's get this bad boy harness put up so we can get back in this truck. It's like 30 degrees out this morning. See, it was colder when I left the house, and I gotta leave the house crazy early to get down here on time. We back in it. I'll tap back in with y'all in a little bit. Peace. So yeah, we just dropped that Skyjack boom. And right now, man, we're gearing up to actually run to Hickory, North Carolina. But man, that Skyjack wasn't much, about 14,700 pounds roughly on that Skyjack. So, you know, nothing serious at all on the deck back there. We just got that unloaded. About to stop up here. Probably grab something to eat on this morning. Here shortly. Might go in here and grab me grab me a little Starbucks, man. I need something to perk me up a little bit. Had a long night last night. Me and my son hung out for a little, well, I was doing a little more work than hanging out, but he stayed up a little later. But that's family. what's going on? Man, I just wanted to make a quick little video. I don't too much record, man, when I'm on the yard, most yards and stuff, because I don't know how, you know, I don't want to have nothing to be said. So I just want to show y'all what we was picking up, man. We picked up this Bobcat, S550 Bobcat skid steer. I pretty much told y'all already. So again, just want to give you an update, man. I just got 3 chains on it, 2 5-footers and 1 10-footer in the rear. And she is ready to go up in Hickory, man, on the yard. Yes, sir. All right, let's load it up. Nothing, man. I mean, come on now. Like, how you gonna earn respect if you don't give it out? You don't care, you know, we don't care about the environment. And I don't, when I say we, man, I'm not talking about myself because I actually give a damn. I'm big on cleanliness and just trying to be an overall neat person, man. You know, you won't catch me throwing no damn piss bottle out. You won't catch me throwing no damn bag of trash out. I go to too many rest areas, too many, you know, fuel stations, truck stops to be throwing some trash off an exit or throwing some trash, you know, under my truck at a parking spot. You know, I care too much, man. I mean, hell, the planet's all we damn got. So, you know, at the end of the day, I don't get it. You know, this is all we got here. Hell, what you know, what we gonna do? What we gonna do when we don't got anything else? Shit, we gonna be complaining then about not having it. You know. Oh, exit only.
The next day.
Good morning, family. Man, it's the last day of the week for me. It's Thursday. Haven't been able to get too much footage this week, just kind of overall being a little busier at work. But it's Thursday, man. And you know, Christmas right around the corner, New Year's right around the corner. I'm up here at the 7-Eleven truck fueling station. Just want to tap in with y'all. Sunset coming in pretty nice. Look at that. Ooh, look good. Make me feel good. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man, I'm here. I don't need any fuel, but I just wanted to give y'all a quick little walk around of what I got on me this morning. Hold on 1 second. We got a deal, man. A deal reach lift. But we got a Gill reach lift, man. It's about 15,000 pounds. That's our second stop. So we loaded up with that. Got a little MEC 19, little micro scissor lift, man. Nothing special at all. That's our first stop. Yes, sir. Truck done got dirty. Man, they it came out. Excuse me. It came out Sunday it came out Sunday and washed all the trucks on the yard. And of course, man, my damn first job I go to is a big project site, man, up in Concord. And just mud everywhere, man. I was so mad, man. I mean, I ain't mad in the aspect that it's my truck, you know, it's my work truck at the company I work for, so it just a little frustrating, but that's the name of the game. So yeah, I just wanted to show y'all, man, what we got on us. You know, no, man, you know, for this weight, no need to drop that third axle. You know, I try to make sure it's over one of the rear drives as best as possible to get a little stability. But yeah, squad, man, we gonna get it. Guys, just make sure y'all doing y'all pre-trips, man. It's cold, man. It's cold, man. All kind of shit can go wrong. Make sure you emptying out them air tanks too, man, whenever you get a chance. Just, you know how it go, all kind of build up in them air tanks. And you'd be surprised how much like actual liquid came out of, water, I would say, came out of mine. So just be sure to empty them air tanks, man. Do them pre-trips, make sure them fluids is full. Check on them tires. I thought I had an issue with this tire yesterday, but everything turned out to be good.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Yes, sir. Progress. Man, I went up to the DMV yesterday. Where that C code? Went up to the DMV yesterday to see what was the next steps for me getting my hazmat endorsement on my Class A. Man, he said that I needed to come and take the computer test, because I already did the TSA, the background, the TSA checks. You gotta go on the TSA site. It's real simple, man. If you already got a TWIC, it's very similar to getting a TWIC card. I already had the TWIC card, so I was already in the system. Basically, I think all they pretty much did was do a thorough background reading, and just to make sure you eligible. So I already got that back a few months ago, and I went up there yesterday to see. I said I need to come back and take the test. So Friday, tomorrow, I'm gonna try to get up there early to see if I can't get that test. That way, man, we can just start progressing, man. Like, we can put ourselves in the best position, whatever the moves we decide to make, we'll be in an adequate position to do so. Like I said, we got some plans, so again, we just want to put ourselves in the best position to make the most money, man. It only makes sense, you know what I'm saying? It only makes sense. I'm gonna go right here and turn around in the street. Just so I don't risk running into nobody's yard. We ain't got time for that. We don't got time for that, man. Parking at the barn. Yeah, but that's the house, man. I don't know if y'all can see that. I mean, look at the amount of property that they got over here, man. The amount of land. Oh, that's... Come on now. That's a dream come true, lake. Come on, man. Look at these. You got donkeys, man. Probably got some horses running around here. Horses probably in the stable or something. Come on, man. That's amazing, man. Look what they do. Ooh, you can tell they're like a Corvette. Holy cow. Let's see. Man, I'll just back it up over here. Let's see if I got the phone. Yep, got the phone. It's stuff like this though that make me kind of appreciate. Oh, the turkeys, man. That's cool. That's cool, man. That is awesome. Wish I had my phone. Wish my son was up. I'll show him the turkeys, dude. Let me get my pics. You know how we do. Oh, they got horse. Oh, there go the horse stables right there. I told you. I said that's the stable. I knew they had horses. Shoot, you already know. You already know they got horses, man. Come on now. don't see any, but you know they got them. But you know they got them. My man got some old schools here, man. Like a Corvette. I don't know what that big motherfucker is. Now you know you got a little change when you got a damn RV cover. He ain't playing, man. He said he got to have everything protected from the elements. Look at turkeys, boy. That's cool. Oh, that is awesome, man. I don't want to get too close just out of privacy reasons. Look at the cat, man. This is awesome. Kitty. Hey, kitty. Hey. Hey, kitty. Sweet, man. That's sweet. You can tell he friends with probably all these animals. That is sweet. All right, girl. Good see you. Trying to follow me now, huh?